Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh yeah! Yan, hulaan niyo kung nasan ako. Yan. Andito ko ngayon sa bahay ng Kuya Manny ko. Dito po sa Austin. Ito ang second floor. Yan. Diyan kami nanonood tuwing gabi. Anyway, this is my last day here in Austin. Nakita niyo naman sa mga vlogs, napakarami kong napuntahan. Diba? Dito sa Austin. Kasi Austin is very, very nice. Very, very vloggable. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa first floor. Ang ganda ng artwork. Kita nyo naman. And of course, kasama ko ang aking Kuya Manny. Say hi sa ating mga Meltecs.
Hello, Meltecs.
Ayan, diba? Anyway, andito tayo ngayon kasi syempre, since this is my last vlog here sa Austin, gusto ko lang sabihin na, Kuya Manny, sobrang thank you for the time well spent that I was here. Sobrang dami natin napuntahan. Sobrang dami kong na-vlog. It's all thanks to you, my dear brother.
It's my pleasure.
Kasi ang tagal namin hindi nagkita, ladies and gentlemen. Tapos, eto, bumawi ang kapatid ko kung saan niya ako nadala. Kung saan niya ako nadala dito sa Texas, sa San Antonio, sa Houston, dito sa Austin, kung saan lupalop ng Austin. Austin is really, really nice. Gustong-gusto ko ang Austin, Kuya Manny. I like yung yung general weirdness. Yung weirdness in a very, very good way. Okay? Kasi, iba the weather is weird, pero very, very, very tolerable. Yung nga lang yung init, medyo talagang mainit, no? Tapos yung coldness niya, sarap-sarap ng feeling, ganyan. Pero the places here in Austin, but most of all, what I like about Austin is the people. Aww. Hands down, marami na akong mga na-state na puntahan dito sa Amerika, pero hands down, sila yung pinaka-kind, most kind, yung mga tao dito sa Austin. Kaya, eto, during my last day here, hindi po pwedeng hindi ko i-vlog itong moment na to because, alam mo sa family namin, lahat mahilig kami sa animals, especially sa dogs. Mga fur parents kami. Yan, kami nila Kuya Manny, ako si Kuya Mike, si Katkat yung kapatid ko, si Ate Maria, di ba si Mama Beck, si Meryl, lahat kami may aso, ang hilig-hilig namin. Pero sa family, may isang aso na parang ito yung namin, parang I could say na he's the smartest and he is our prince sa family. Ladies and gentlemen, Kuya Manny, pakitawag na si Axel the Wonder Dog. And si Axel, the Wonder Dog. Axel, say hi sa ating mga Meltecs. Sit. Oh, ayan. Oh. Diba? Nakita nyo? Kita nyo yung mga tricks na gagawin ni Kuya Manny, ha? Sabi ni, oh, give me a hug. Other side.
Other side.
Oh, saan ka naman makakita ang aso sit. Embrace nga ulit. Oh, ayan. Oh, embrace ng embrace, hindi nagsasawa. Saan ka makakita ang asong hindi nagsasawa? Sa kakahag. Diba? Oh, sus. Oh.
Do you want your treat? Huh? Are you hungry?
Tingnan nyo to, panoorin nyo to, ha? Oh.
Balance beam first and then you can get this treat. Don't move.
Balance yan. Oh. Balance. Axel, don't move. Okay, ayan, binabalance niya, ladies and gentlemen. Pwedeng pang circus itong si Axel. Pero, diba? Okay.
This in your bowl and then eat it in your bowl, okay?
Ulitin mo nga, Kuya Manny, para sa ating mga televiewers.
Axel is going to get his treat and then he will put it in his bowl and eat it there. Not here, because I don't want any clutter. Are you ready? Go.
Okay, sundan natin si Axel. Axel, huwag ka daw magkakalat. Pag nagkalat ka, naku, lagot tayo, Axel. Nilagay niya, ladies and gentlemen, sa kanyang bowl. At doon niya kinain. Kasi nga, ayaw magkaroon ng kalat. Or clutter. That's the power of training. At saka si Axel, sige, nasabin mo, Axel, nasabin mo. Very good.
Corner.
Ay, ito, tinan mo yung corner, ha. Pag sinabing corner, dyan siya sa corner na yan. Diba?
Bed.
O, pag sinabing bed, pupunta siya dun sa kanyang bed. Bed daw. O, huwag ka nang, ayan. Diyan ka lang. Yan ang kanyang bed. Diba? Pillow! Ito naman yung kanyang pillow. Pillow! Dali, huwag mo kong pahiyain. Ayan, ladies and gentlemen, ang galing ni Axel, the Wonder Dog. So, nakita niyo yung mga pahapyaw, di ba? And of course, dito sa bahay, we have Robert. Si Robert, eto para ko ng kapatid to dito. And si Robert, he speaks very good Tagalog. Oh, no! Robert, greet them in Tagalog, Robert.
Say, kamusta?
Oh, kita nyo? Toyo lang alam ni Robert, ladies and gentlemen. Toyo, sausawa ng alam ni Robert. Pero hindi. Pero si Robert is a very, very good friend. Para namin kapatid yan dito eh.
Okay, are you ready to eat? Huh? Move back. Go back. Drop.
Move back. Oh. Kita mo naman ang pagkain ni Axel. Oh, di ba? Ewan ko na lang kung magutom ka pa, Axel. Alright. Nilalagay sa kanyang ano.
He's on a diet, so I only give him...
Diet pa man din yung ganyang ano. Pero syempre, depende, no? Kung ilan yung cups na ibibigay mo sa kanya, no? Kaya money, no? Okay?
Sit. Drop. Sit. Drop. Sit.
Hindi siya kakain hanggat di niya naririnig ang magic word, ladies and gentlemen.
Eat.
Tsaka siya kakain ngayon. Diba? Naku, ang galing. Yan. Ayan si Robert, diba? Okay, bago tayo umalis, para kay Axel, si Robert. Robert, what do you like about the Philippines?
The mountain.
The mountain?
And the jungles.
And the jungles?
Yeah.
Okay, ganun ba pagkakakilala mo sa Pilipinas, Robert? Jungles and mountains lang? What about the beaches?
I haven't actually seen the beaches, but yeah, I'm big on all the nature and everything. So
Have you visited the Philippines yet?
not yet.
So, are you planning to?
Yeah,
Okay, so maybe
it's on my list.
it's on your list. Maybe, are you single, Robert?
Yeah.
Okay, to all our televiewers, Robert is single. So, just write a comment here below, diba? And, of course, si Robert is single, ladies and gentlemen, diba?
36.
He's 36. O, diba? O, kaya alam nyo na, ladies and gentlemen, Robert is a candidate, is a bachelor. Diba? Okay, thank you, Robert. I will see you soon again when I come visit here. Okay, and thank you for being a very, very good friend to my brother. Alright.
And he's a very good landlord.
Yes! Landlord kasi si Kuya Manny dito. Okay, and he's a very, very good landlord. Yan kami ni Kuya Manny. Maglalakad kami. Kasama ko si Axel. Ito muna tayo. Axel, come here. O yan, di ba? Napaka-nice neighborhood. Ayan. Tapos, etong puno na to, yung mahiwagang puno na yan, dyan umiihi para si Axel. Pag sinasabi ni Kuya Manny, pee, dyan lang siya parating pumipi. So, very trained si Axel na pag every time na magpipi, ito lang sa puno na yan. Kaya ang tasa sa puno na yan dahil sa ihi ni Axel. Anyway, gaano katagal mo tinrain si Axel?
About a year.
Okay, about a year. Ilang taon mo siya nakuha?
I got him when he was 4 months old.
4 months
He
old.
weighed like 35 pounds and he's now 105, 110.
My God, alam mo tong si Axel para siyang baby horse. Nung una ko nga punta dito, sabi ko, Kuya Manny, para siyang maliit na kabayo. Kasi tinan mo, malaking ng aso. Saka parang wolf. And Kuya Manny, 1 year mo siyang tinrain. So talagang, yung talagang hard work and dedication talaga pagka gusto mo talaga matuto yung aso mo.
Yeah. But
So,
the trick is when you train your dog, you always use one command, one word. So if you want him to sit, just say the word sit. If you want him to jump, just say the word jump. Don't make it more difficult for the dog. So one word, one command, or should I say using one word for a command instead of using multiple words. So it's easier for the dog to
understand, to comprehend,
Uh-huh.
and for them to remember. Okay, and we're walking. Gusto niyo yun, ladies and gentlemen. So papunta kami sa parang mini park. Marami kasi dito sa Aussie, ang daming mga dog park. Tapos dito may parang mini dog park at saka mini park. So lalakad-lakad kami dito. Kita niyo ang ganda ng ano, oh. Oh, di ba? Maganda tong ano na to community. Oh, di ba, with the birds chirping and all that. Mga ganyan. Alright, oh, ayan. Oh. Ano? So, naglalakad-lakad ko. Alam mo, may aso rin ako, si Chunsa. Mahal na mahal ko yun. Ang alam lang ni Chunsa, sit. Tsaka alam lang ni Chunsa yung balance. Marunong din yung aso kong bumalance. Pero, mahirap talaga kasi talagang kailangan dedication and time. Okay? O, ayan. Kuya Manny. Ganyan lang siya. Okay? Ito na yung mga tricks. Catch tayo, catch ng mga ball. Ito niyo si Axel.
Hey.
Oh, ginigive niya talaga. Oh, give the ball ng maayos. Hindi yung bara-bara. Oh, ito na. Ang galing. Oh. There's the ball. Okay. Oh, sus, diba? Para talagang baby horse at wolf lang si Axel. Yes! Catch that ball, why don't you, Axel? Good boy. Ganyan sila. Oh, diba? Lakad-lakad. Oh, diba? Ang cute-cute ni Axel. Kaya Manny, gusto kong malaman from you. Ano ang pinakamagandang advice na mabibigay mo sa ating mga manonood dito ng mga fur parents?
For parents?
Oo. Lalo na if they want to have a German Shepherd or a big dog, tapos gusto rin nila, I'm sure pagkatapos sila ito mapanood, they would like say, oh, I would like to teach my dog those kinds of tricks.
Yeah.
So, what can you advise them?
One word. Patience.
Patience.
Yeah.
Okay.
Patience is the key. You have to be patient for a lot of reasons, right? Because they're smart, but they're not as intelligent like us. So it needs a lot of practice, dedication, and to make sure to reward your dog when you're doing something, when he or she is doing something right. So
Kunyari yung reward, ano yun? Kailangan may parating treat?
no, it's not always a treat.
Okay,
you
yan
know?
explain natin
You
yan.
always have to say like good boy or good girl, or you hug them, right? They feel your emotions, so they know exactly if they are being loved and being taken care of. Make sure that you show your emotions.
Pinaka most important siguro dun sa narinig ko kay Kuya Manny is yung love. No?
Yeah, because I always hug my dog. I always tell him to hug back or whatever. So I always find time to even an hour after work to spend my time playing with him.
Quality time. Kailangan
quality
yan.
time. Yeah.
Okay. So, thank you Kuya Manny. Thank you. Our prince. Our prince. Oh, sus, diba? Ang gwapo-gwapo, oh. Ako ang daddy Mel nito, eh. Daddy rin ako nito, eh. Love na love ko din yan si Axel, eh. Diba? Good boy yan, eh. Good boy, eh. Axel, come here. Give me a hug. Hug. Ako, hug. 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 Yan. Other side. Hug. 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 Diba? Kuya Manny, thank you so much. Thank you, Axel. Sa lahat ng mga nanood ngayon sa ating vlog, sana marami kayong natutunan, and at the same time, ayun, yung sinabi na ni Kuya Manny, di ba? Yung love and affection, patience.
Yep, love and affection. That's true.
Yeah, ma-share nyo itong video na to, especially sa mga for parents na katulad natin. Di ba? And it's very nice to have a companion na ganyan. Kasi syempre sa totoo lang, Kuya Manny, alam mo ba, alam na natin, di ba, ang mga dogs, sila ang nag-give ng unconditional love talaga. Di ba? O, Gopi. Yan ang pang ano ni, ano. He pees on command. So anyway, Kuya Manny, thank you again.
Yep, you're welcome.
Diba? Mga Meltics, share this video, hit the notification bell para alam nyo pa yung mga updates, kung ano pa yung mga vlogs na gagawin ko, mga travel vlogs, family vlogs, at kung ano-ano pa. Diba? God bless all of you. Travel, be happy, enjoy life. Bye-bye.
Bye.